Hello and welcome. Today we have another incredible recipe that will help cut back the aging process and help you achieve a youthful glow. So now let's get down to it. To begin, we'll soak 1 tablespoonful of chia seeds in water for about 15 minutes. This tiny seed has the power to expand and form a gel-like consistency, working wonders for your skin. But don't worry if you don't have chia seeds on hand, you can always use aloe vera gel as a perfect alternative. Next, we'll cut 1 cleaned and scrubbed apple into smaller pieces, removing the seeds and core, and set aside for later use. Now let's cut and juice 3 sweet oranges. You can use a juicer or manually squeeze the oranges like I'm doing right now. We'll go ahead and grab a thumb-sized piece of ginger and cut it into smaller chunks. If you prefer, peel off the skin for a milder taste. And last but not least, we'll grate 3 carrots using a fine grater. This will help with easier blending. So now that we have these powerhouse ingredients, we'll pour them into our blender. We'll also be adding a tablespoonful of turmeric powder. And then we top it up with a freshly squeezed orange juice and a splash of water for a lighter consistency, and we'll blend until smooth. Once it's perfectly blended, we'll serve and top it up with the soaked chia seeds. And here you have it, our age-reversing skin brightening drink is ready. This drink will nourish your body, revitalize your skin, and bring a youthful radiance from within. I do hope you try this drink recipe and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up by clicking on the like button below, subscribe and share with a friend, and also leave a comment below. It means a lot to me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.